How to get custom domain on Shopify. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to get your own domain or custom domain. So over here in Shopify, you could do this through the settings or through our homepage over here when your store is just new. You can simply click on add domain over here under custom domain, which will prompt us or redirect us to this page. As you can see also in the settings, this is where you're going to see it. As you can see, so we have two options over here. We could either connect existing domain or buy new domain. If you already have purchased domains from outside searches or sources like GoDaddy, you can click on connect existing domain. But if you want to purchase inside of Shopify, you can click on buy new domain over here and just simply type in the store name that you want or the domain name that you want. So let's say Caesar Star, something like that. And as you can see here, it will show you available options that you have over here, available domains. For example, this one, uh, caesarstart.com, it's going to cost us $16 per year. So simply, if you found the one that you prefer, simply click on buy, and then you will be able to purchase that domain inside of your Shopify and then attach it to your store. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.